Lucy, the mouse, has been having hiccups. Everyone knew about her hiccups. Someone suggested to eat sugar. She ate sugar, but it didn't work. Some told her to drink lots of water. She drank water, but nothing doing. Someone told her to hold her breath for a long time. She tried all the tricks to get rid of her hiccups, but nothing worked. Lucy then went to her friend Sam the skunk. Sam, hic, hic, I have hiccups. Why don't you stand on your head? That always works for me, said Sam. And so poor Lucy stood on her head, but she kept falling every time she had a hiccup. Freddie, the frog, told her to hop about patting her tummy. That ought to work, Lucy, said Freddie. But nothing worked for Lucy. Lucy walked back home worried. Just then, Alex, her sister, sneaked up and frightened Lucy. She was very angry. Alex, don't you see how disturbed I am? Suddenly, Lucy realized that she had not any hiccup since Alex frightened her. She had just cured her of her hiccups, and all friends of Lucy were happy seeing Lucy without hiccups. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like, share, and subscribe.